All right, guys, here's the video to find the winner of my Packers full-size rep helmet. We will check the time here, April 2nd at 7:54 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we've got April 2nd, 7:54 p.m. Here's the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. 12. All right, here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here we go. Last and final. Good luck. And it is Kevin, and spot number 1 is our winner. So, Kevin, please get with me to collect your helmet. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, April 2nd at 7:55 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.